What are universal tariffs and how does this impact you? Picture this. Egg prices are already at record highs. Your prescription drugs cost hundreds of dollars more a month. And, computer prices, your next phone, those prices are going through the roof, all to bring jobs back to America. In the middle of this is President Trump's plans for tariffs, and we're hearing about tariffs every single day. Now, Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent proposed the idea of universal tariffs, which could be a game changer for American trade policy. But what does this really mean for you? And why could universal tariffs be the most likely outcome? Now, think of this. Think of universal tariffs as a flat tax on all imports that show up as higher prices at the stores on your bills. The Treasury Secretary has proposed starting at 2.5% and raising that tariff incrementally each month. Now, President Trump doesn't like it because on paper, 2.5% sounds too modest. But here's the thing. Over 12 months, that gradual increase really adds up and could add up to as much as 30% in tariffs, which is really the same big number that President Trump has been pushing for. So he just has to sell it like that. Secretary Bessent is trying to sell it as 2.5%, but Trump could sell it as 20, 25, or 30% tariffs. But politically and economically, a slow rollout is much more palatable and easier for Americans to absorb. It would soften the blow for consumers and businesses, and especially if you compare that to an immediate jump of 20 to 30% in prices. And you can see why some of this could be a less painful path and a less painful approach. But I don't want to sugarcoat it. I mean, tariffs, even incremental ones, come at a cost. Take tech products, for example. If tariffs on imported microchips hit that 100% threat that Trump has, the price of your next smartphone, laptop, or any smart device, which could be your microwave, your oven, your refrigerator, they could all rise. And yes, tariffs will nudge companies to bring manufacturing back to the U.S., which is what we want. But that doesn't happen overnight. I think we all realize that. The tariffs, on the other hand, hit immediately, while the benefits take time to materialize. And then there's another issue, which is sticky prices or inflation. Once prices rise, and retailers and manufacturers are notoriously slow to lower them again, even if the conditions stabilize and the tariffs are starting to be rolled back. So even if universal tariffs succeed in revitalizing American industries, it could mean higher costs for everyday goods for a long period of time. Now, universal tariffs at 2.5% seem more gradual and could be less painful to the stock market, which Trump could like. Now, Trump has promised lower taxes to offset that, but that could also take time. Let me know what you think about this, and let me know whether you think the risky gamble will pay off. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more breakdowns of the biggest stories that could affect your life. And I'll see you in the next video.